Hello everyone and welcome back to the Quant Philic and the Quant Files as well. Today we'll be dealing with the topic AMGM. Again, the same thing, join this to get these PDFs. Let's start. So AMGM. Okay. So first of all, we have few constraints that when do we use AMGM. Okay. First thing is only when numbers are given real and positive. Okay. We cannot apply AMGM on negative number. Negative number we cannot apply. Okay. Further, one more constraint is like one more like if there are constraints in the question. By constraints I mean suppose the question is given that x is greater than y, like this. Okay, any constraint, like they are natural number, like this. If it is given that all the numbers are natural number, we cannot apply that. Okay. And few more constraints, like yes, if there are constraints then we cannot apply. Okay? These are the two ways. Okay. Now what does AMG mean? How do we know that we have to apply AMGM? So whenever it is given that like we know the value of 3x plus 2y is equal to 32, and we have to find out the maximum possible value of xy. Okay, like this if the question is given. Okay, so basically sum of two numbers given and product highest or lowest value is asked. So AM is what? AM is sum of two numbers, like sum x, suppose there are two numbers, so x plus y by 2, and GM is what? Product mean of the two numbers, geometric mean I mean. Okay, like this it is. And we always know that AM greater than equal to GM. Okay. Now see, generally what is done is like product is given and we are asked the minimum possible value of the sum of two set of numbers. Okay. See, if the question has asked like product is given, supposed to you are the two numbers, and minimum possible root over maximum possible value is asked, then the answer will be infinite. Remember, this is a twist which might appear in CAT. Okay. Generally people see and people directly apply AMGM, they equate and solve. Okay, थोड़ा सा दिमाग में लगाना है that x plus y AM greater than equal to GM. Suppose product value is given, suppose it is given 3. Okay, and you have been asked the maximum possible value of x plus y. Okay, so if you carefully observe, it is what? X plus y greater than equal to 2 root 3. So greater than equal to 2 root 3 मतलब ये तो जाता जाएगा, infinite हो जाएगा. So not possible. Okay, so this can be used. This is one of the case, and other case can be like sum का मिनिमम निकालने के काम आता है, एंड वाइसा वर्सा, लाइक द पैरेलल क्या होगा? प्रोडक्ट का मैक्सिमम. ओके, रिमेंबर दिस इज अ ट्विस्ट व्हिच कैन बी आस्क्ड एनी ईयर इन द कैट. अगर उसे थोड़ा ट्विस्ट करना है, फंसाना है, कॉन्सेप्ट पता करना है बच्चों का, देन इन दैट केस ओके दिस कैन बी आस्क्ड. बिकॉज सी सम सपोज 3 गिवन है, सो 3/2 इज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू रूट एक्स वाई. सो ये तो इससे लेस होगी, वैल्यू लेस होती जाएगी. सो मैक्सिमम प्रोडक्ट का पूछेगा तभी हम एमजीएम से निकालेंगे. ओके, let's start with the question then. If x plus y plus z is equal to 36, find the maximum possible value of this. Okay, so this is what some given product asked. Okay, so you can see that product का max पूछा है, तो ठीक है हम निकाल सकते हैं, right? So let's first of all write down the numbers. Numbers are x, y square, z cube. Okay, so directly write down all the numbers, like x to the power 1 it is, so simple 8x, and we have y square, so 2y's, and we have z cube, so 3z's. Okay, further in x mein coefficient of x is what? 1. So this one has to be distributed in 1x, so it has to be 1. Okay, now coefficient of y is 1 and we have 2 y's, so 1 we have to distribute in 2 people, so it has to be 1/2. So y by 2 and y by 2, and the same logic is z. Z coefficient is 1 and 3 people we have 1 2 3, so 1/3 1/3 1/3 each. Okay, so these will be the like 1 2 3 6 terms in which we'll be applying AMGM. Okay, AM is what? Mean of all the values. So when we add all of them, what do we get? We have derived all these from here only, so that has to be the same thing. Okay, you can check and you can add and check as well. Like x will add up to x, y by 2 will add up to y, and z z z z. Okay, so how many terms are there? 3 2 5 and 6. So AM will be x plus y plus z by 6, right? GM is what? Product of all these terms. So product is what? We have derived this from here. So x y square z cube, and its power will be what? We know that. Suppose if there are two numbers, then it is simple root of the two numbers product. Here we have 6 terms, so it has to be 1/6. Okay, so we are sorted. Now simply equate them and solve them. So x plus y plus z by 6. Oh, sorry. The terms were x, y by 2, z by 3, z by 3, and z by 3. Okay. GM will not be this. We missed these terms. So 2 square and 3 cube. So divided by 2 square into 3 cube, power will be 1 by 6. So x plus y plus z by 6 is equal to this value, x, y square z cube divided by 2 square into 3 cube. Power is 1 by 6. So x plus y plus z value, we know it is how much? This is 36. 36 can be written as 2 into 3, 2 square into 3 square. Okay. Or directly write 36 by 6 is equal to this value is how much? X, y square, z cube to the power 1 by 6 divided by 2 to the power 2 by 6 into 3 to the power 3 by 6. So this is 6. Okay. So now we'll do what we'll do, or better leave it like this only. For calculation is, we'll leave it as it is. 2 square into 3 cube to the power 1 by 6. Okay. So here we got 6. So what do we will shift this power 1 by 6 to right hand side. So this can be written as 6 to the power 6 into shifting this in the numerator as well. So this will be 2 square into 3 cube. Okay. Is equal to x, y square, z cube. Solving this, what do we get? We get 2 to the power 6. And here 2 to the power 2 to the power 6. So 2 to the power 8 into 3 to the power 6 from here and 3 to the power 3 here. 3 to the power 9. This is the value, max possible value for this product. Okay. So that's it. This was the question. Right. So I hope you are able to understand this and you liked it. Okay. Thank you so much.